let's do some fun stuff. Let me do some fun stuff. I got a whole bunch of things I wanted to share with you guys. A whole bunch of things. I'm super excited. I want to show you. I got some new things from Pacifica that I wanted to show you, and then I got some new things at Shop Miss A that I'm really excited about. And then I also have these hair care products that I wanted to share also. So I got a nice little mixture of stuff. One of the things I'm really excited about sharing is this. I got this off. I'm a little out of breath because I just picked up a bunch of things. But there's this really awesome site. I know you've seen it. I think Shop Miss A. They're kind of known for jewelry and stuff like that, but they also have makeup. And so there's this one called She S.He. This is kind of like with the packaging. And these are eye glimmers, right? Now, here's the thing. They dry out, but it's still really pretty. I bought all of them because they're only $1, and the colors are so beautiful. So what I was doing is I was taking, I was trying to like at least take like the underside of a brush so that I could be able to at least kind of stir it up and maybe get some of the moist part, kind of activating it so it's a little softer. But the colors are so beautiful. So there's this one pinky color. They've got some kind of gold colors. Let me see if I can swatch that for you, because that one I just love. So again, I was kind of stirring it up because I don't want to give up on them. I might just get new because they're only $1. But here's the gold one. Can you guys see that? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I still have yet to really get a good idea if they work on the eye, but part of the reason why I am doing this is because I have really bad issues with my eyes tearing up. So the newest thing, so this is kind of like this gunmetal color. Let me see if you can kind of see it in the middle. And then so this is kind of like, so it's kind of like the color isn't really strong, but if you kind of like that kind of muted, and also because it is kind of dry, and since they're only $1, it might be, I'm gonna just buy all of them again because I just love them. But anyway, since I have a lot of issues with my eyes watering, so I'm kind of beginning to work on using like those Stila, let's see, like these guys here, because I'm wondering if maybe because when I'm putting powder on my eyelid, if the powder is causing my eyes to water. So I'm gonna start trying to use like chubby crayons and stuff like that. So some other things that are kind of like from the dollar store. So, you know, Herbivore is really huge with like watermelon. That's kind of like they have one of the masks, which I would love to try, and I probably will spend the coins for it. But the dollar store has this. This is watermelon and aloe, and I really like it. I've used it. I have really sensitive skin, and I haven't noticed any issues with it. And they also have this. This is also from the dollar store, pink sea salt and rose water. So this is actually a cleanser. I didn't see that because it says it's a facial serum, but it's actually a cleanser. I like it. My skin has reacted very nicely to it. And I've been seeing this around on YouTube, so I wanted to also give a shout out. Is this, excuse me, it's Skin Nutrition's Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum. $1. And it looks fancy. I mean, it's got the dropper and everything, you know. So I'm really excited about that. I like it. It's also gentle on my skin. And then I got this gold mask. So this is probably riffing off of the Peter Thomas Roth mask, which I think, you know, they say it's supposed to be for like firming and lifting, but I just feel like it's really great just for hydration. So yeah. And I was really excited about finding this at the dollar store. So this is Arm & Hammer Essentials, free of aluminum, parabens, phthalates, rosemary, and lavender. And I have to say, when I use it, like I could kind of like smell it, and it's like smells nice, you know? You want to smell nice and fresh. So yeah, I really like it. So anyway, I want to recommend that. And this also, I like this as a face wash. I might put this in like, I wish it had like a pump, but you know, it's the dollar store. So I'm going to put it in something so I can just pump it out easily so I don't waste. I also really like the way this smells. This is the Bath and Beauty Pure Traction Melanin Plum Silkening Body Mist. I like it. It smells nice. Yeah, it smells really nice. It's kind of like what you feel like. It kind of smells like when you come out of the shower. Yeah, it's very pleasant. I like it. So anyway, I wanted to recommend that. Oh yeah, this also I got from Shop Miss A. Yeah, I got some other things from Shop Miss A. But anyway, this is Claudia Stevens, which I kind of, uh-oh, it got in my throat. This kind of reminds me, Claudia Stevens sounds familiar. But anyway, it's this anti-wrinkle eye cream that I got off of Shop Miss A for $1. So, yeah, I like it. It feels nice on the skin. And the dollar store has these too. What I would recommend is putting them in the freezer so it's nice and cold when you put it on, and it feels really, really good. Wait, maybe this one. Okay, so there's this one. This is this is a shimmer stick. It's kind of like a cheaper version of the Nars, you know, ones. And I think Elf used to have this too. So this is what the gold looks like. Can you see that? Let me give you a better swatch color. So I got all these colors too. They come in like 6 different colors. So this one, this is kind of, I'm like a kind of a blue pink kind of a gal, so that's what that looks like. So I'm looking forward to using this as a cheek and a lip color. So I gotta tell you about these. What does that remind you of? If you are a makeup girl, you know that this reminds you a little bit of the Pat McGrath lippies, and they have these too. So this is by who is this by? I think, is this Malibu Glitz? I forgot who it's by. Sparkle Magic Glitter Lipstick. I think, I want to say it's Malibu Glitz. I'm not sure, but look for this also on Shop Miss A. And this is what, so this color is Velvet Diva. And I haven't worn this yet. I gotta find, I don't know why I'm not wearing it, but I gotta wear it. It's so pretty. So they come with all different colors. And that's what's really fun about Shop Miss A, is that you're only spending $1 and the quality's not bad. You know, like if I suppose if I was wearing makeup like a lot more often and stuff like that, I probably would get stuff that has better quality. But so far I'm pretty happy with how this is. Before I talk about that, I wanted to tell you about the new shower and oil, body bath and shower oil, lavender and rose. It smells okay. I also have the pillow spray for it that's the same. I'm disappointed that this is only 4 fluid ounces. Like, I wish that it was much bigger. It smells like lavender. It's nice, but I don't smell any of the rose, and so I'm a little disappointed with that. But I love Pacifica. They're vegan, and I'm vegan. I'm a terrible vegan, but I try to be vegan. And so I like that they not only are vegan, but their packaging is amazing. So the other thing that I like to use, and this is like just to take care of your skin. When you have a chronic illness, you're not taking a shower all the time. You're not always taking care of yourself, but you still want to look good. You still want to take care of yourself. You know what I mean? So I like to use this Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. It's got firming stuff for the cellulites, you know. And it's got, you know, it has a little bit of tan in it. So it's just kind of like, it's, you know, I always like to do things for my mental health. And when after I take a bath or after I take a shower, I like to put this stuff on to help firm my skin. But also, when I wake up, it's just kind of nice to have a little bit of a color, a little bit of tan. It just, I don't know, you do whatever you have to do to lift your spirits. I think it's important to do that. So, yeah. So I get this off of Amazon. And I just found this, Queen Helene. You know, my firm belief is that you can get all the skincare you need, you know, much more cheaply. And like I said, like, you know, Herbivore with their watermelon mask. Like, I'm going to spend some money to get some of the higher end stuff, but most of the time you can really save so much money at the dollar store or drugstore. So anyway, Queen Helene, they have a whole host of bath and body products, and so this is the mask that they have, and it's nice. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't it's got kaolin, and it's very moisturizing. It doesn't dry down, so Maybe I need to leave it on longer because this looks kind of dry. But anyway, it's really nice. It feels really good. And, you know, it's got good ingredients in it. So, yeah. So I just wanted to tell you guys about that. Look for the old ones because I bet you the ingredients are better. They're going to work on their ingredients. They know they have to work on their ingredients. So, yeah. This, you know what else you can do is teas, like hibiscus tea is so good for the skin. Green tea, you can get that at the dollar store. Chamomile tea is great for the skin. You know, you just brew it up. I have a video where I show even with matcha tea. I don't know if you can get that at the dollar store, but matcha tea is basically green tea. So you can get that at the dollar store. You can make your own concoctions with baking soda and Epsom salts and you know, with lavender oil. Even Shop Miss A, they now have essential oils. So you could get like eucalyptus oils there for $1, and it seems pretty good quality. Two more things I think I gotta talk about. So I'm kind of like, I'm just like a chatty person. I don't know how this is all gonna come out. But anyway, I wanted to tell you guys about Pacifica nails. Nail polish. These are 7 free. So we got this color, so pretty. This is pink metal. It's a little bit more pink. Not so, well, it's kind of, yeah, that's about right. That's about right. And then we have tourmaline. Tourmaline? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's tourmaline. So that's this color. Really like. Now the problem with these two is there's not much, you have to put a top coat because it does tend to dry kind of matte, but you know, you just get yourself a top coat and you're good to go. They also have this color, which I have on right now, which I really like, and this is Fame. That's this color here. It's by Pacifica, 7 free. It's vegan, cruelty free. And actually, what I also wanted to talk about was I use the Hollow Taco top coat, and I really like it because it gives a really nice shine to it. And I also have the blue one, which I just love. Yeah. And I also have her base coat too. And I like them. I like them. Yeah. Y'all, I need a break. Okay, one more thing I wanted to, well, kind of like one more, but it's like 2 more, sort of, kind of. So also at the dollar store is this is the Shea Butter from the dollar store. Shea Solutions, this is the Curl Stretch Cream. Love this stuff. It smells so good, you guys. And it's from the dollar store. It has like that, kind of reminds me of the Argan by Organics, like that whole line. Kind of has that smell, like that kind of amber smell. Oh, it's so good. Actually, you know what it reminds me of is the C.J. Walker, Madam C.J. Walker, that hairline. That's what this reminds me of for curly hair. And it just smells so good. So anyway, they have like also a leave-in conditioner. Hi, Lily. She's just said hi to me right now. It's on my thing. So they have a leave-in conditioner. They have a shampoo conditioner. Oh, sweet, I'm sorry they're hurting you. Oh, it's okay, Lily. I got you, girl. Don't worry about it. Anyway, so this is really good stuff. And it's from the dollar store and it smells good, and I use it because I got curly hair. Ooh, talk about curly hair with the whole Diva Curl situation. Anyway, okay. I gotta take a break.